and welcome to episode 28 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. If you're wondering why I'm smiling, look behind me. This is starting to come together. Both of us are super excited about this. My husband's been installing the cabinets. They look fantastic, by the way. Again, the rtastore.com, that's where we got them. This is our pantry. So we'll have the two little sets right here with the pantry, dishwasher, sink. The window will be put up
Tiny
here.
window.
Yes, tiny window. It's a smaller window than what we had planned, but that's okay. That's okay.
3 by 3 inches.
You mean feet?
I was just talking about the hole right there.
Oh, I was about to say. Anyway, so here is where the oven will go, the microwave, fridge, but we have lights everywhere and the ceiling is painted and the ceiling looks beautiful. Good job, David.
Yep. Great job, David.
And then lights everywhere. I don't think there's anything new right here, is there?
There's boxes.
Boxes. Oh, yeah. Amazon. It's a daily thing here. And then in here we have more lights. We did pick out a color right here. We started with the baby blue. David said he was going to throw up whenever he saw it. And then I picked these two, and Alex picked this one that he likes. So, lights.
Good job, Alex.
Yes, good job, Alex. And then the tiling got finished over here. Then the bathroom is cleaned up. It looks a little bit better.
Still dirty.
Still dirty. Yes, it is. We do have some swatches over here. Did you spray over those? They look lighter.
Yeah, I rolled primer.
Oh, okay. That's why they look lighter. Primer.
It'll
That'll
show
do
up when you paint it if you don't.
Okay. Lights? Yes, lights. It'll still, yeah, it still looks a lot darker. But this bedroom is painted. Yay! It's getting closer. It's getting closer. Now the best part, in the bathroom. Not only is there paint, we have another toilet. We have another toilet now. You gonna zoom in on that without knocking over the door?
Yay!
Yay! Oh, we have another toilet. So, I guess what's left in here is they just have to fix that, right?
Yeah.
They gotta fix that, the drywall. We'll put the mirrors up. I say we, it's David. And he's gonna install the hardware on the cabinets as well.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then the one last thing that was different from the last video, all the cabinets are in here, in the laundry room. All of them. Yay! That was the right one was missing last time. So all of them are done, and that's it. So stay tuned for our next video. We hope to show you a lot more. See you next time.